Hi everyone, my name is Costa and today I'm gonna show you how easy it is to create page transitions in Framer. All you have to do is select a desktop breakpoint, then select the home page. On your right side you will see effects. Click on it and then select all pages. Now right here you can find the presets, and there is some other presets as well, by the way. I will show them later. So let's select one of the preset, maybe slide up. Now I will test to see how it looks. And as you can see, every time I click on a new page, it is sliding up. Now, in my case, for example, I would like to have a different effect because this slide up effect is not fitting very well my design. So let's go back to preset and click on fade out and in. Then go to any page and click on mask. Right here you can choose different masking. And in my case, I would like to have this circle one, but I don't want it to play from the center. I would like it to play from the bottom. So let's add 80%, something like this. And now let's preview it. Okay, this looks fine, but still I don't like how fast it is. So therefore, let's play with the speed. So in here, I will type in 0.5. And let's see now. This is much better. So yeah, this is it guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.